Hey gang, it's Matthew, old Florida boy, out on another nice balmy 95-degree day in Central Florida. As promised last time, I'm going to show you how to make a Whelen tent out of half of the U.S. military shelter half, just one of the halves, and just add in a 5x7 tarp. Man, I got this whole tent, both halves and all the stakes and all the lines and everything and all of the tent poles, and this thing is totally awesome. You can make like 100 different configurations, and I'm going to go through as many of them as I can think of. But today, we're just going to use the half, and we're going to use the half dated 2004. And we're going to set it up, and I'm just going to add a tarp, and we're going to show you how to make a Whelen tent. So let's go over there and get rolling. Woo! Casa de Florida Boy. Muy bien y muy excelente. Man, look at this. You can adjust the height of the front of the tent. I put the sides, I tied the sides in the middle of the 5x7 tarp. So we got about 3.5 feet overhang. Works really, really great. You could have a fire out here. If it's raining, the front is slightly higher than the tent so that all the rain's gonna run right off the back of the tent. And as you saw, the back of the tent is pretty protected by half of the tarp. So let's come in a little closer. All right, man, here we go. Using 1/2 of the US military half shelter pup tent. The sides are nice and flared out. You got tons of room under there. You can get under there. You could totally stay in this overnight if you wanted to. It's set up on the ridgeline, but you could easily use the poles also. Set up on the ridgeline, man, you got a nice sunroof and you got a nice porch out here with a couple of convenient sticks. And you could totally stay in this. I mean, it's got tons of room. If it rains, all the rain's off you, and it's gonna roll right down the back of the tarp, right down the back of the tent. So this is set up in the middle grommet. If you wanted a longer porch, all you have to do is stretch it to the next grommet and tie the next grommet up here. But man, it is totally, man, this is totally cool. I mean, totally. Wow, this sets up a really, really good tent. This is really pretty cool. Man, I love these US military half shelters. My other half shelter, I took it to a local sewing place and the girl's fixing it for me because one of the grommets on the side pullouts was ripped out and it should be good as new. This is the 2004 half, and it's a little stiffer, but man, these things are bulletproof. So here we go with how to just add on a 5x7 tarp and make this sucker into a Whelen tent. I don't know how much easier it can get than this. Okay, stay tuned. The next video, we're going to be working on our walking stick project again. I was really busy at work and I got 4 days off, so I can do a couple of things. But we're going to be working on our walking stick project. I think you're going to like it. It's starting to come out pretty good. But here we go. If you like this, please comment and subscribe. And once again, this is Matt the Old Floor Boy, and I will see you on the trail.